Hi there. I know I promised reviewing and showing you a certain makeup palette a few months back. It took quite a while to arrive, but it's here now, and I'm unboxing it with you. You guessed it right, it arrived with Mom's gift package like last time. Here's the eyeshadow palette we've been waiting for. Yes, it's Filipinta's Kabal eyeshadow palette. You know how much I loved and still love the Diwata palette, so I'm pretty positive with this one. I love the packaging. The colors remind me of Carlos Santana's Black Magic Woman. Let's start. Toner, the usual starter. Serums and a bit of massage to keep the blood flowing. Brows. I'm gonna use these for everything. A bit of priming and cleanup because I was too lazy to groom my brows still. Spot correction. This foundation is pigmented enough to double as a concealer. The makeup look I'm going for kind of requires my freckles, so I'm just gonna leave them very lightly covered. So pigmented. Filipinta did not disappoint. I'm also experimenting with lighting for my videos, so just in case you'd want to point that out. Kabal for eyeshadow, bronzer, and highlighter. A bit of brown eyeliner. Black winged liner. This is an eyeliner shape that I don't usually do, so please bear with me. My favorite glam lashes. I used the purple glitter for the hearts. The application clip was skipped because I thought I resumed the recording after I got the glue, but it turns out I did not. Sorry about that. Mixing Filipinta's nude gloss with W7's Blowing Bubbles lip gloss. I said purple, but it's more of a maroonish, burgundy-ish color, isn't it? I did this makeup look to try out a makeup trend I saw in 2019, but haven't tried yet. So this is how I'd probably look like on a regular if I could be 17 again. Most likely with a pink wig as well. See ya.